What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, so there's a few things I want to talk about today. I'll go over the monthly chart for Tellurian Inc. to see where the share price is heading to, and then I'll go over some new developments that have taken place recently. So last week was not the best for Tellurian's share price, and we fell all the way from $4.14 to a low of $3.32. That was a major drop, but on the 19th of July, we broke this downward trend here. We saw a huge engulfing green candlestick on the 20th of July, which was a good indication that the stock was going to start another uptrend, and that's what happened here. And we went all the way up to $3.90, after which we started another downward trend here. But on the 22nd of July, so yesterday, Tellurian posted this tweet, which helped push the stock price into another uptrend. As things stand currently, we've broken this uptrend, which could mean that we could either trade sideways for a few days or even head lower. However, if we're able to post a higher low and close above the $3.64 mark, then we could retest this resistance level at $3.90. If we're able to break the $3.90 mark, then we could fill this space here and go all the way up to $4.13 before getting a retracement. So to sum it up, we need to close or stay higher than the $3.64 mark, and if we're able to break the $3.90 mark, we should be on an uptrend heading towards $4.13. In other news, Charif Souki recently went on Bloomberg to give an interview. I find it amusing how these experts in the business news world label anything that they don't understand fully as meme stocks. It's happened before with Tellurian, and the same happened in the recent interview on Bloomberg. Perhaps the most important part of this interview was when he was asked about a time frame as to when we should expect more commercial deals. He was basically asked whether it'll take another 8 months or longer for a commercial deal, and he replied saying that more deals would be coming a lot sooner than that. Check this out.
Question, but can you give us kind of a time frame? If you want to do it right, does that mean 6 to 8 months? Does that mean 12 months? What does that mean?
Alex, we signed 6 million tons worth of contracts in 2 months. That is extremely quick.
Yes.
Compared to everybody else, domestically and globally, they're taking a long time to sign long-term agreements. And you know my view on that. I think long-term agreements in the commodity market don't make any sense. And we are now in the LNG business in the commodity market. So you have to adapt. We were successful in signing 6 million tons in 2 months. So that's the kind of time frame we're talking about. We found the product that the market wanted.
Fair enough.
And on that basis, it's going to happen very soon.
At the end of the day, as long as Charif Souki is at the helm, steering Tellurian towards success, I'm happy holding the stock through the ups and downs. The weekly or bi-weekly updates that we get from Tellurian Inc. are extremely reassuring, especially during times of high volatility. I'm glad that Tellurian keeps us all informed, as it definitely helps build conviction in the company and prevents newer investors from panic selling their positions. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.